Let's get your first breaking news coming in from Polban, Tamil Nadu. Makkal Needi Mayam chief Kamal Haasan has met with Rajinikanth at his residence. This meeting went on for about 45 minutes. It's again led to a lot of speculation of what perhaps could have been discussed. But Kamal Haasan visited Rajinikanth at his Poise Garden residence. We understood that the meeting lasted for about 45 minutes, and we're yet to get details about exactly what took place. But remember that Rajinikanth was supposed to enter politics, didn't do so, and it's led to speculation whether Kamal Haasan has reached out to Rajinikanth politically. Now, Akshay Nath is joining us with more details on this from Chennai. Akshay, any information we're picking up on really what happened in this meeting, whether there were any political discussions that were held?
Well, Akshita, three important points. We need to remember that this is the first meeting that actor turned politician Kamal Haasan is having with Rajinikanth. When Kamal Haasan was travelling, he had said that post his travel, he will be coming and meeting his dear friend Rajni, whose health has not been fine for last couple of days. In fact, that is one thing that he's done. This is also said to be a courtesy call between the two actor friends. And point number two, we need to remember is that Akshita, 3 years back on March 21st was when Kamal Haasan had launched his party and had announced his political entry, and before that meeting also he had gone and met Rajinikanth. So just before the 3-year anniversary of the political party, once again Kamal meets him around the same time as when he had met Rajni 3 years back. And point number three that we need to remember is, Akshita, that Kamal Haasan had very categorically said that before the elections, he will be reaching out to people whom he thinks will give him a hand. And he had said that what is wrong in approaching my dear friend Rajinikanth as well. So with Rajinikanth saying that he will not be making any political entry for the 2021 elections, there are likelihoods of Kamal also discussing about Rajini's support for Kamal's Makkal Needi Mayam, which will be contesting in this upcoming polls, Akshita.
And that really is the focus on whether there's going to be any sort of statement, Akshay, from Rajinikanth. Yes, he is not going to be launching his own political party. He is not going to be fighting in the election. But there's been a lot of focus on whether Rajni will then go ahead and pick sides now in the upcoming election fight.
Well, Akshita, that is something that we'll have to wait and watch, because Rajinikanth was under tremendous pressure from various political parties, asking him to make a proper entry and start contesting in the elections. And Rajni himself, soon after the demise of former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha, had said that he has intention to enter politics and serve the people. But unfortunately, recently, due to his poor health, he had said that he will be withdrawing from politics, but he will be serving the people of Tamil Nadu till his last breath. So in the meaning of serving the people of Tamil Nadu, will he join hands with any political parties? That will be something that we'll have to keenly watch with just 2 months left for the 2021 elections, Akshita.
All right, we'll be tracking the big takeaways from that meeting, whether there was any discussion on politics, whether Kamal Haasan has sought Rajinikanth's support for the elections. We'll be tracking that closely. Akshay, thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.